In this tutorial, we will learn about union data type in C language. So let us look at the definition of union. So a union can be defined as a user-defined data type, which is a collection of different variables of different data types in the same memory location. So the main difference between a structure and a union lies in this storage of memory. So in a structure, whatever members are declared, they all are stored in separate memory locations. But coming to the union, whatever members are there inside a union data type, all of them are stored in the same memory location. So remember this definition very properly, that union can also store different data types, but all of them have to be in the same memory location. So now let us look at the syntax of union and how to declare it. So always use the keyword union, union, and after that you declare the name of the union. For example, let us declare student, and you open the curly braces. Inside that you can start declaring the members of the union. For example, if I want to declare any name of student, then I can write a string data type and let the maximum size be 20. Then I can write one integer saying in which class that student is studying, and I can declare one float saying what are his or her marks. So this is a union I have declared. Now all these variables are stored in the same memory location. And next question which should arise is, what will be the size of this union? So in union, whichever member is consuming the largest memory, that much memory will be allocated for the entire union. For example, if you see this first thing, so because 20 length is dedicated, it will consume 20 bytes of memory. And next thing is integer of type class, so it will consume 4 bytes of memory. And next one is float marks, so it will also consume 4 bytes of memory. Now usually in structure, what we used to do is we used to add this total thing and get the total size. But in a union, as I just discussed, all of them are stored in same memory location. So whichever is consuming the highest memory, that will be the total size of the union. So let us try to run a small code and verify that. So let me open my main function, and here you can declare any union. So the name of the union and declare some variable. If you want to print the size of that union, you can use the size of function. So I can write size of union student is equal to percentage d. You can replace that percentage d with size of this union student. So this will directly print the size, how much it is occupying in the memory. So let us try to compile this code. So here if you observe, it has printed size of union student is 20. So whichever is the maximum element which is occupying, that will be printed here. So that is the main difference between a structure and a union, that in union all of them are stored in the same memory location. And if you want to verify that are they really stored in same memory location or not, so let us verify that also. So let us try to take a new program. For example, let me declare first a structure. I declare struct, and I declare one num underscore s. It means I am declaring a number structure, and underscore s means it is a structure type. Any name you can write. So I am declaring two variables, int x and int y. So this is my structure. Next, I will declare one union also. So union union, and num underscore u, signifying it is a union. And here also let me declare two variables, int x and int y. So let us try to print the address of this location, whether what is the address in which x and y are stored. So we can print that also. In C programming language, if you want to print address of any variable, you need to use the format specifier percentage %p, and whenever you are doing printing operation, you need to write and of that variable. So you need to write and of that variable, and while printing you need to use percentage %p as the format specifier. So let us open our main function. So if we come here, you give the curly bracket first and declare first structure and union variable. So struct, so first one was num underscore s, let you declare it as n. Next you declare union, and it was num underscore u, and let us give the name as u. So let me write one printf statement to print address of structure. So if you want to print address of structure, so I'll print of both the variables. So just observe here, percentage d, uh, percentage d. So first I will, okay, so we need to use percentage %p format specifier. Okay, percentage %p, and next one is also percentage %p, and first I will print address of x variable. So you write and whichever is that n dot x you can write. Next one is and n dot y. So this and actually it will be a pointer to the address of that location. So it will print that address for you. So here you can write slash n. After that we can add a separation line, and after that I'll print the address of union also. So this, after this we can print address of union using same concept. So printf will write address of union, and printf again two times we need to print percentage %p and one more percentage %p, and replace first percentage %d with and of u dot x, because the variable name for the union here you have given u, and for structure the variable name is n. So that is why, because if you want to access this x and y, I am writing n dot x and n dot y, and if I want to access union, I am writing u dot x and u dot y. But currently, just because I am printing their address, I am putting this and symbol before them. So it will print the address of the memory location in which this variable is there. So that is why this is important. And next one is u dot y. So here you can put slash n, and then we will terminate with one more put this lines, and here you can write a return 0 for your main function. So let us compile this code and see the output. So here you can see, if you see the address of structure, if you see the location of this address, see the address, these last digits are different for structure variable. That means this x is stored in this location and y is stored in this location. So you can easily observe that these are different addresses. But address of union, if you see, both these numbers are same only. This FF704, here also FBFF704. That means both of them are stored in same location. So that is what was also written in our definition, that union can be defined as a data type in which there is a collection of different variables in the same memory location. So here we saw also that they are stored in same memory location in a union. So I hope you understood the difference between two data variables and how to declare them. So here you can see the code in one single line. So this is our code to observe the address of union and that. So you can write this value, but write same value for union and different values for structure. Thanks for watching.